Good evening, students. Today we are going to start with exercise 4.3, question number 5. Question number 5 says that from the choices given below, choose the equation whose graph are given in figure 4.6. I have made the figure for you. This is the figure 4.6 and I have to choose which equation satisfy this graph. That means what I have to do, I have to put these value in these equations, and if the value satisfy this equation, that the graph of this equation, we get the graph of that equation. Now solution lies, we have 3 points, 0 0, minus 1 1 and 1 minus 1. So we will check all the equation on these 3 points. If this equation satisfy all these points, that means this graph is the equation of this. Now let us check first part, 0 0. Now student, y is equals to x. Now in 0 0, x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 0. How do I know? Because I know that the first coordinate represents the x and the second coordinate represents the y. सो x की वैल्यू यहाँ पे 0 होगी और y की वैल्यू भी क्या होगी, 0 होगी. तो देखिए अगर मैं इसमें सब्सटीट्यूट करती हूँ, इफ आई सब्सटीट्यूट दिस वैल्यू, दैट मीन्स y is 0 and x is equals to 0. Obviously it's satisfied. So we will say it's yes, it's satisfied. Now move towards the second point. Second point is minus 1 1. Now in this point we will have x is equals to minus 1 and y is equals to 1. Let us check whether it is satisfied or not. So equation is y is equals to x. I will write here y is equals to x. मैं यहाँ सब्सटीट्यूट करूँगी, y की वैल्यू 1 और x की वैल्यू क्या है, माइनस 1. Do you think that these two values are equal? I said no. So it does, this point, the value does not satisfy this equation. That means this graph does not belong to this equation. Now let us move towards the second part. Let us check the second equation. The second equation is x plus y is equals to 0. Now in the second part what we have to do, we have to again check the each of the three values. Now for 0 0, in this case I know x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 0. What I have to do, I have to substitute the value of x and y. Now x is 0, y is 0 and again it is 0. So I know 0 plus 0 is again 0 is equals to 0. So that means it satisfies, yes, it satisfies the value. Now let's move, this is the first point. Now let us move towards the second point, that is minus 1 1. Now in this case x is equals to, first coordinate is minus 1, it is minus 1, second coordinate is 1. So I know I will get the values of x and y from this coordinate, x is equals to minus 1, y is equals to 1. Now I have substitute the value in this equation, x plus y is equals to 0 में. What is the value of x? Minus 1. What is the value of y? Plus 1 is equals to 0. That means क्या हो गया? Minus 1 plus 1, it becomes 0 and this is equals to 0. So do you think that satisfies? Yes, it's satisfied. So I can say yes on the second point. Now we have left with the only one point, that is 1 minus 1. So x is equals to 1 and y is equals to minus 1 in this case. देखिए first coordinate है 1, so x की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी 1 and second coordinate है minus 1, तो y की वैल्यू हो जाएगी minus 1. Now let us check what is my equation. Equation is x plus y is equals to 0. Now x is 1 and y is minus 1. So 1 minus 1, 0 is equals to 0. So obviously again you will see this point also satisfy this equation. So we can say that all the 3 points 0 0, minus 1 1 and 1 minus 1 satisfy this equation. So we can say that this is the graph of x plus y is equals to 0. Now we left with these two equations. We have to check these points on this equations. Let us check whether they satisfy these equation or not. Now the third third equation is y is equals to 2x, and we have the points, same point 0, 0, minus 1, 1 and 1 minus 1. Let us check. Now first point is 0, 0. In this case we have x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 0. Substitute it. Y is equals to 0, LHS is 0 and 2 into 0. So again 0, 0, yes, it's satisfied. Now let us move towards the second point. Now in this case we have x is equals to minus 1, y is equals to 1. Now y की value y is equals to 2x है. Now y is equals to 1, 2 into minus 1. So this equation become 1 is equals to minus 2. Do you think that 1 is equals to minus 2? Absolutely not. So we can say that it does not satisfy this equation. This value minus 1, 1 does not satisfy this equation. So I immediately said that this graph does not belongs to this equation. Now we have left with only fourth part. Let us check this also. Hope so ये clear हो रहा होगा आपको कि how we are check this values. Now fourth part is 2 plus 3y is equals to 7x. Now we have 3 points, 0, 0, minus 1, 1 and 1 minus 1. Now for 0, 0, we know that for 0, 0 x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 0. Substitute. Now 2 plus 3 into 0 is equals to 7 into 0. That means 2 plus this whole becomes 0 and this becomes 0. So 2 is equals to 0. Do you think that 2 is equals to 0? You said no, ma'am. So that means it does not satisfy. So we can say that these three equations does not satisfy this graph. Only this x plus y is equals to 0 satisfy these 3 points. So this graph belongs to this equation, x plus y is equals to 0. Hope this question is clear to you. Now moving towards the second part of this question. Now moving towards the second part of this question. The second part is we have 4 equations. Again we have a graph. We have to check that which solution belong to this graph. That means ki we have to check these equations on the point. My points are minus 1, 3, 0, 2 and 2, 0. That means we have 3 values and I have taken the values from the graph. You have seen minus 1, 3, 0, 2 and 2, 0. Now we have checked all these 3 values in these equation, and any equation which satisfy these 3 points, that becomes the graph of that equation. Now moving towards the first part, that is y is equals to x plus 2. Let us check on the point. My first point is minus 1, 3. In this point we have x coordinate is minus 1 and y is 3. Now substituting y is equals to 3. I have substituted putting the value of y is equal to 3 here. Now what is the value of x? X is equals to minus 1 and plus 2. Now this can be written as 3 is equals to 1. Absolutely not. We get that 3 is not equals to 1. So that means ki this point does not satisfy this equation. That means surely this equation does not belong to this graph. If the one point does not satisfy the equation, we can say that this graph does not belong to this equation. No need to check all the remaining points. Now moving towards the second equation. Now by the second equation is y is equals to x minus 2. Now we have the point minus 1, 3. Again x is equals to minus 1 and y is equals to. Now in this point y is equals to 3. So substitute y is equals to 3. I will put y is equals to 3 and x is equals to minus 1 and minus 2. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, देखिए x की वैल्यू मैंने यहाँ पे माइनस 1 सब्सटीट्यूट कर दी और ये माइनस 2 एज इट इज था और y की वैल्यू 3 यहाँ से. तो दिस बिकम्स 3 इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस 1 माइनस 3. डू यू थिंक दैट these two values are equal? Absolutely not. So that means कि this point does not satisfy this equation. That means the second equation also becomes the wrong. Now let's move towards the third equation. Now equation number third is y is equals to minus x plus 2. And my first point is again minus 1, 3. In this point x is equals to minus 1 and y is equals to 3. Let us substitute this with these values in this equation. Y is equals to 3, x is equals to minus, and what is the value? This is minus 1 plus 2. Now 3 is equals to minus minus plus ho gaya and it is 2. Now 3 is equals to 3. It is absolutely, they are both are equal. So yes, it satisfies the points. Now moving towards the second point. My second point is 0, 2. 0, 2. In 0, 2, what is the value of x? X is 0 and y is equals to 2. Now substitute here. Now what is the y? Y is 2 is equals to minus x. X is 0. We have x is equals to 0 plus 2. Now 2 is equals to minus 0 plus 2 is again 2. So देखिए we are getting 2 is equals to 2. That means they are absolutely equal. Yes, this point also satisfy this equation. Now moving towards the third point. Third point is, let us check on the third point. The 2 points satisfy. We have left with only third point, that is 2, 0. Now what is the value of x? X we have 2 and y we have 0. Now substitute here. Y is equals to 0 and x is equals to minus 2 plus 2. So देखिए it's minus 2 plus 2. What is the value of minus 2 plus 2? Is 0. So that means again is satisfied. All the three values minus 1, 3, 0, 2 and 2, 0 satisfy this equation. That means this graph belongs to this equation. But we have remaining one equation. We have to check this also कि whether it satisfy or not. So let us check. Equation number 4 is x plus 2y is equals to 6. Now at first point minus 1, 3. Now what is the value of x in this point? X is equals to minus 1 and y is equals to 3. Now substitute it. Here x is minus 1 plus 2 into y is 3 is equals to 6. Now minus 1 plus 2 3 is 6 is equals to 6. It's 5 is equals to 6. Do you think that 5 is equals to 6? No. So that means this equation does not satisfy this graph. So we cross this equation. So what is the solution? My solution is y is equals to minus x plus 2. So this is the graph of this equation. Hope so this question is clear to you. Now moving towards the question number 6. Now moving towards question number 6. Question number 6 is, if the work done by a body on application of constant force is directly proportional to the distance travelled by the body. कह रहा है कि अगर work done by a body is applied directly proportional to the distance travelled by the body, express this in the form of an equation in two variables and draw the graph of the same by taking the constant force as 5 units. Also read, देखिए here the question, read from the graph the work done by the distance travelled by a body is 2 unit and the 0 unit. अब सिंपल से बात यहाँ पे हमें बोली गई है, what is that? The work done is directly proportional to the distance travelled. ये बात मुझे बताई गई है क्वेश्चन में. और क्या कहा गया है कि you have to express this in equation. It's a very simple one. तो हम let कर देंगे, let work done be represented by y and distance travel by x. तो क्या इक्वेशन बन जाएगी? y is directly proportional to x. हमने किया क्या? हमें क्वेश्चन में बताया गया था कि वर्क डन डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल है डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल के. हमने क्या किया? वर्क डन को रिप्रेजेंट किया y से और डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल को हमने किससे किया? x से रिप्रेजेंट किया. Now y is directly proportional to x. Now you know that whenever the proportionality sign change into equality, this proportionality sign change into equality, it will becomes y is equals to kx. ऐसा आपने फिजिक्स में पढ़ा होगा कि जब भी proportionality sign change होता है तो वो किसके इक्वल आ जाता है, into kx. Here the constant k is what? K is constant. And in this question we have given that constant force, given क्या है, constant force is 5 units. This is given to me. कि मुझे दे रखा है कि कांस्टेंट फोर्स क्या है, 5 यूनिट. तो दैट मीन्स y इज इक्वल्स टू 5fx. दिस इज माय इक्वेशन. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज माय इक्वेशन. यही इक्वेशन मुझे फॉर्म करनी थी. दिस इज द इक्वेशन. अब नाउ आई हैव टू प्लॉट द ग्राफ ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन. y इज इक्वल्स टू 5x का मुझे क्या प्लॉट करना है, ग्राफ. तो लेट अस प्लॉट द ग्राफ. Now y is equals to 5x. I have to plot this graph. You know that for plotting the graph, first we have to form the solution box. This is my solution box. Here I put y and here I put x. Now if I take x is equals to 0, then what is the value of y? 5 into 0, that is y is equals to 0. If I get 5 into 0 is 0, तो that means कि अगर x की वैल्यू 0 है तो y भी क्या होगा, 0. Now if I take y is equals to 1, then what is the value of, if I take x is equals to 1, then what is the value of y? It's 5 into 1, y is equals to 5. If x is equals to 1, y is equals to 5. Now the third point is, if x is equals to 2, then what is the value of y? Y is equals to 5 into 2. This becomes 10. So I can write here, if x is equals to 2, then y is equals to 10. Hope so this solution box is clear to you. हमने x की वैल्यू क्या रखी, 0 रखी, तो y क्या मिला, 5 into 0, 0. When I put x is equals to 1, 5 ones are 5. When I put x is equals to 2, 5 twos are 10. Now I have to plot this solution box on the graph. So we will plot like this. So we don't have a negative value, इसलिए मैं negative में ज़्यादा जाऊँगी नहीं. Because we have 10. So now here 0, 0. First point what I have to plot, 0, 0. So you know that 0, 0. You can write like this, x dash. y, this is y dash. ठीक है, and scale भी लिख लें यहाँ पे. What is your scale? Scale is equals to 10 division is equals to 1 unit. Student, you have to plot this graph on the graph paper. Here I am plotting on the board. That is why I am writing the scale for the graph paper. आपने देखा होगा कि वहाँ पे ग्राफ पे ऐसे ऐसे पतली पतली लाइंस होती हैं, ठीक है, और एक यहाँ पे फिर एक मोटी सी लाइन होगी, और यहाँ पे तो यहाँ पे देखिए आपके 10 लाइंस, देयर आर 10 लाइंस. तो वी आर टेकिंग एट 10 डिविजन इज इक्वल्स टू 1 यूनिट. यू हैव टू राइट दिस ऑन योर ग्राफ पेपर. ठीक है, नाउ प्लॉट द पॉइंट 0, 0. नाउ योर ओरिजिन इज 0, 0. नाउ सेकेंड इज x is equals to 1, y is equals to 5. x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 5. This is my second point. Now 2, 10. Now 2 and 10. This is the point. Now join this. So this is 2. थोड़ा सा इसको मैं ठीक करती हूँ. This is 0, 0. Chicken. This is 1, 5 and this is 2, 10. So this is the graph of equation y is equals to 5x. Hope so this is easy to understand. We are plotting these points on the graph. Now there must be a question that At 2 units, question is read from the graph at 2 unit what is the distance. अब 2 unit पे distance कितना है? देखिए 2 unit पे distance travel कितना हो रहा है? 10 हो रहा है. So आंसर आप लिख लें. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन है if 2 units 2 unit is the distance, then what is the value? If x is equals to 2 units, then what is the value of y? Y is 10. In second part, if distance travel is 0 unit, then what is the value of y? Y is also 0. I am reading from the graph. Question में यही बोला गया था, read from the graph. If x is equals to 2 units, then what is the value of y? We see that if x is 2 and y is then 10. If x is 0, then y is 0. And this point represents, x-axis represents the distance travel. You can write like this. This is the distance travel. And this y-axis represents the work done. This is the work done. Okay. Hope so this question is clear to you. Now moving towards the question number 7.